Yes, my freestyle nation, here you have it. A pot of mouth-watering stew peas. Look at that. Nice and delicious, nice and thick, nice and rich freestyle. It doesn't get any better than that. And guys, as you look on the top of it, my scotch bonnet pepper, and I mean, it's just a vibe. The smell of this stew pea, the scotch bonnet pepper, you know what I mean, combined with the coconut milk.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Rain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey my freestyle nation, welcome back to the movement, guys. Welcome back. Before we go any further, guys, just remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, hit that subscription button and join the freestyle movement. Now freestyle today, we're back in the kitchen and it's all about some authentic stew peas or Rain freestyle way. So guys, just sit back, relax and enjoy this pot of mouth-watering stew peas. You know the vibes, freestyle. Yes, my freestyle nation, so it's all about some mouth-watering stew peas or Rain freestyle way. Right here, freestyle, I'll be showing you my recipe for my stew peas. First and foremost, guys, right here I have some salted pigtail, red kidney beans, I have thyme, scallion, I have a grey soup mix. Right here I have some all-purpose season. Right here I have my pimento berries. Right here I have my coconut milk, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic. Now it's time for me to go ahead and start the preparation for my mouth-watering stew peas or Rain freestyle way. So freestyle, as you can see guys, I have two pots, one with the salted pigtail and one with the red peas, right? And the reason for that is because the pigtail is extremely salt, so you want to boil some of the salt out of it before you put it with the peas, all right? Not only that guys, you want to add some flavor to your salted pigtail. So what I will do guys, I will go ahead and add some seasoning and some spices so you could have some flavor to your meat, alright? So right here guys, I had some thyme, and I will go ahead and have some all-purpose season as well. And right here is some meat season. I will add a small amount as well. And I'm going to add a pepper. So now guys, I'm just going to cover the pot. As you can see guys, the water is well seasoned, so the meat will cook with all that flavor and all that spice. So guys, I will now cover the pot and I'm now going to allow the pigtail to cook. Then after it's cooked, I'm going to add it to the pot with the red peas. Alright, so just stay tuned guys as I cook my stew peas or Rain freestyle way. You know the vibes. So freestyle, here you have it. My red peas is almost cooked. I will now go ahead and add the coconut milk, and I'm using 2 cans. 2 cans of coconut milk. Freestyle, here you have it. This is the pot with the meat, and it is now almost fully cooked. I will now go ahead guys and transfer the meat from that pot to the pot with the peas. Alright, freestyle nation, as you can see, I have everything in one pot now. The pigtail and the peas, everything is in one pot now. Now it's time to go ahead guys and add my natural season. And my natural season I'm using guys, as I showed you before, I'm using a scallion thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, a piece of garlic. You have it. I will now go ahead and add some pimento berries. Add my pimento. And as I said before, guys, you want to maintain your flavor. So I'll go ahead and add a small amount of all-purpose seasoning. After adding my all-purpose season freestyle, I'll go ahead and add half pack of Grace soap mix. After adding all those ingredients, guys, you want to stir. And I must tell you, freestyle, this is smelling so good. You know what I mean? It's just a whole vibe going on right here. As you know, the coconut milk, guys, it gives a very flavorful smell, along with your scallion, your thyme, and your scotch bonnet pepper. Everything combined together, freestyle. I must tell you guys, this stew peas is smelling so good, and we haven't yet completed it. Now, guys, I'm going to cover the pot. I'm going to allow my stew peas to take its own little time and simmer down. So stay tuned, freestyle. I'll be right back. You know the vibes. Yes, my freestyle nation, here you have it. A pot of mouth-watering stew peas. Look at that. Nice and delicious, nice and thick, nice and rich. Freestyle, it doesn't get any better than that. And guys, as you look on the top of it, my scotch bonnet pepper, and I mean, it's just a vibe. The smell of this stew pea, the scotch bonnet pepper, you know what I mean, combined with the coconut milk, the onion and the thyme and the spices. And I must tell you guys, it's just a whole vibe going on in this pot, as you can see for yourself. Stew peas, rain freestyle way, guys, it doesn't get any better than this. Look at that. And you know, guys, when you got stew peas, you have to go white rice. Over here I have a pot of white rice steaming down, so you already know, guys, it's just a whole vibe going on here. Stew peas, white rice, rain freestyle way, and it's just a vibe, guys. Just the look of it can tell you how tasty this meal is. It's very delicious, very mouth-watering. Guys, if you're watching this video, you're new to the channel, guys, I'm asking you, please just go ahead and hit the subscription button. Join the freestyle movement. If you're a long-time patron, guys, just like, share and comment. You know what I mean? I must say, guys, a big thank you for the support. Keep on supporting the movement by liking the videos, sharing the videos. You know what I mean? Feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I really appreciate your input. Freestyle way, guys, look at that. Stew peas, nice and delicious, nice and tasty. Look at that, your salted pigtail on top and the spinners, and it's just a whole vibes. Look at that. So it's freestyle, I already know it's that time, so I'm about to turn the stove off. I'm about to dish out this wonderful meal, stew peas, white rice, rain freestyle way. So you already know the vibes, guys. Just keep on supporting the movement. Until next time, you already know. Catch you in the next one. Freestyle, you know the vibes. Freestyle dinner is now served. Stew peas, white rice, served with some avocado. Freestyle, it doesn't get any better than this. You know the vibes. Like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribers yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Freestyle, you already know the vibes.